So straight away we're beginning with GameStop. GameStop up 16.95%. The news is that GameStop is getting involved with cryptocurrencies and NFTs. Yes, that's what it says. It says here GameStop is setting up a division to launch a marketplace for NFTs and establish cryptocurrency partnerships. The Wall Street Journal reported yesterday, the 6th of January, citing unnamed sources. The new division will run an online hub for buying, selling, and trading NFTs on virtual video game goods such as avatar outfits and weapons. The sources said the company has recruited more than 20 people to run the new division. Okay, that is what is behind this rally we're looking at right now. The company is nearing partnership with two crypto companies to share technologies and co-invest in developing video games based on blockchain and NFT technology, among other NFT related products, the Wall Street reported. And GameStop could sign similar agreements with cryptocurrency companies this year. Okay, that is also another addition as well. Okay, so an attempt by the well, in any case, this is what's going on. It's cryptocurrencies and NFTs. That is what's behind this rally we're looking at right now for for GameStop, up 17.95%, currently trading above its 10 all of its moving averages apart from that 200 moving average, because the stock was it had risen in the post market when that news came out. It dropped below all of those moving averages apart from the 200 moving average, but just before daybreak or before this pre-market session began, it now fell below that 200 moving average. But right now it is gaining strength. Momentum is also improving. RSI is also improving. GameStop up 17.68%. Do we have a target for GameStop right now? No target yet. So let's look at ABSI. ABSI has it has lost a lot of all of its gains. At some point we saw it trade at $10.34. We had a target of 10.09. That target was met, but it failed. You can see that. You can see what's going on here. With this, it reached 10.38. Yes, 10.42. It has now fallen all the way down to 9.39, where it's trading right now. As of now, so the gain is now 53.42%. Momentum is still improving. The news you may have heard is that yes, let's see let's see what the news is again. Yes, the company announced it has entered into research collaboration with Merck, known as MSD outside the United States, using ABSI's AI-powered integrated drug creation platform. Under the collaboration, ABSI would deploy its bionic protein non-standard amino acid technology to produce enzyme tailored to Merck's biomanufacturing applications. Oh, these sound really good. You can see the AI-powered drug creation platform and amino acid or bionic protein non-standard amino acid technology platform as well. These are very good combinations. These are, and then I can see there's also ABSI will be eligible to receive up to $610 million in upfront fees, when some of the targets are met. So that is what is behind this rally concerning ABSI. Right now it's up 56.35%. We had a target of 10.09. It breached it but has retraced. There's no guarantee it's going to get there again, but people are waking up and they are going to decide what it is they're going to do. The next one is HGSH. HGSH, that is China HGS real estate up 27.15%. Currently just not doing so well technically right now. At some point it reached this high of $3.32. Right now it's at $2.80. Let's see whether there's any news behind this move. The stock has knocked up now. We have not found any news as such. No news specifically. There must be something behind that rally. So it's gained 26.70%. Are we tempted to see whether we can get a target 3.01? That we're just gonna leave it. Let's look at Ford. Ford is definitely one of the biggest movers, one of the most active stocks of late. In the post market, you can see what's going on. Continue to extend nicely. never fallen below its 50-day moving average, apart from just in this pre-market session. It now fell below that 50-day moving average, just now above it as well. Now fell below it and then has returned slightly above all of those moving averages, the 10 and the 20-day moving averages. We had a target of $25 for Ford. Is it going to get there? $25 and some fraction. There's every chance it's going to get there. We're now in a state where, in a phase where we're seeing that the Fed is going for higher interest rates, and that will affect a lot of growth stocks, and we might see a shift from growth and tech stocks towards value stocks, and maybe Ford may benefit from that. But maybe Ford, yeah. And the good thing about Ford is that it is doing a lot of things growth the stocks are doing, getting into the EV space and even outperforming the bigger some of the champions there, the Teslas and their like, so that is really good. That's really good. It has gained 1.88%. We have a target of $25 and some fraction. It's on the move right now, and let's see what's going on with EAR, Electronic Art. Is it Eager Inc? It's up 0.27%. It's probably okay. Let's see whether we can find any news behind this popularity it's gaining. Okay, we haven't found any news. There's no news. Okay, so in this pre-market session, at some point it was at 7.69. That has dropped all the way down to where it is now, 7. And yet at some point it was trading at 7.7 or thereabout. 7.69 has now fallen all the way to 7.3499 right now. Momentum is holding up. RSI is also holding up. It's just gained has lost all of its gains, much of its gains, and in this post/pre-market session. So it's probably riding the momentum from the post-market. Yes, you can see that it's moved up in the post-market. So right now in this pre-market session, it has fallen below all of its moving average. Momentum is waning. RSI is equally waning. Okay, so before we wrap up, let's update ourselves with GameStop. GameStop has added some more now, up at 18.29%. It is rising along with its 10-day moving average, but still trading below its 200-day moving average. The news is that it has created a division and has manned it with 20 employees. This division will go into NFTs and cryptocurrencies. So we don't have any target for GME, but we will definitely continue to update you in this session of the 7th of January 2021. Thank you very much for watching this video.